And welcome back to Flexible Games, where we are playing Automation Empire. Alright, I have done a little housekeeping here, cleared up some track, cleared up a lot of things, and yeah, I want to start making the mega fuel here. And I want to immediately start selling it, because one thing that we have learned while playing is it doesn't matter if you are selling a product or not. As soon as you start making it, the price starts to drop. So yeah, we want to start making mega fuel and immediately coming over here and dropping it off. Now remember, these things take crates, so they take 50 crates. So that's just 50 units. It's equivalent to like roughly 3 train wagons. So like gross weight, like total, isn't too bad. But we still want to. Oh yeah, not gonna happen there, I guess. I don't know why it doesn't let me go there. You know, right in here should be good. So I want to start producing mega fuel in this little guy. And if we possibly maybe do that. No, water. Oh, that's a door. How about we try it without a door? Yes, that works. Works very well. Okay, so mega fuel is a mixture of ethanol and gold fuel. Gold fuel we have right here. We have quite a significant amount of production of gold fuel, and it's not going anywhere at the moment because I shut down this other train line that we had going over here, this little stub that was right there. So where are we going to come in with said gold fuel? I think one thing we're going to want is to rethink this here. Since we don't need to be so elevated, because it's we're going right next door to it, I think we'll be able to get away with that. All right, so in a perfect world, we would come in right at there with the gold fuel. So what I want to try to do is utilize a lot of these underground things. I've kind of taken a look at some screenshots and things of that nature to get a feel for how this all works, how these undergrounds sort of connect to one another, because you can only have one tank connected to a color. There's only one tank. So maybe we want to give ourselves a little bit of space here and see if we can't. We're going to come in right in here. Right? Okay. So this is the closest we can get right there on a curve. So I would like to load these in. And let's pick a color. Gold is, you know, orange is good for gold fuel. So we have a pulley tube here. All right. And then the ethanol, which ironically is another goldish color. I am thinking ethanol will come in. Where we want that to come in at? This is going to be a gnarly mess in here. This little line here for iron has been going for some time. What is this? This is coal going to gold fuel. Okay, so that's important. We want to keep that. We want to keep that running. This iron, though, I'm going to stop this for now, because this is just picking up iron, and we're not doing anything with this iron right now. So all this area over here is shut down. Because I would like to see if we can't squeeze out a little bit of... let's see, going up like so. Get a little height out of this. I don't know, this factory over here may go away. Not sold on that yet. Let's link you up to you. Okay, so that's elevated that little area. Now we could squeeze in to bring ethanol in. So what I basically want to do is borrow this line here and basically rearrange this. Because yes, we are selling some, and we're way overproducing it right now. So ideally, we would have 2 different trains using this fuel. So what do we do about that? We could, you know, obviously increase the amount we're going here. We would have to increase the amount of oil. We'd basically have to bring in the oil from across the map. Because we're actually not producing enough oil here. I mean, yeah, the cart is pretty much full when it comes in, but yeah, these are not producing fast enough. We have 5 over here, not fast enough. We have plenty of grain production though. Grain production is not a problem. It's oil. We would need way more oil to do that. As soon as this goes through, I'm going to stop you and I'm going to remove your carts. It's a little bit of a waste of resources, but I'm going to try to rearrange this here. See if we can't get 2 trains loading on the one thing here. So basically what we would want would be another pushy tube and a cart. See, we have to go there. So we have to go there, and that really rules out that spot. I'm trying to stay away from going over on this side because this train here, we already have a lot of expanded production capability there, and I don't want to infringe on that. So basically, what this says to me. You're coming in here. We don't need... all of those anymore. Let's just clear. Let's just get to baseline here. The train can't go up and over. That's a guarantee. That can't happen. And that is 2. Oh, it's 1 too many. Oh, I hate when that happens. Let's see. Ideally, I don't want to clear all of this out. I really don't. It would be such a waste. So if we can possibly go in here, have a tight line there, right? Do the same over here. Except we need to be in the exact center. So that kind of hurts things. That really hurts things. If this was just 1 over, that would do wonders to help us out. So basically what I would have to come in and do this, we would have to come in over here So we have a pushy tube here and one here. So this okay. I think I've got a design. This basically is going to be the stub of this line. Right? And this is where it comes out right here. Actually, let's put that one up. Because this has got to be elevated anyway. Might as well elevate it right away. And come right out of the factory. Alright, so this is going to be the ethanol for our gold fuel production, which we have a little spot right in here that we can sneak that in. So unfortunately, this is a huge... Oh, that's 2. Ooh, we could sneak that right over. Oh, I like it. I like it. Let's go right alongside there. And then right alongside there. And we're going to have to drop her down so we can get under all of this. I think that lines up pretty well, exactly where we need to go. Can't build here. What? Really? Really? Okay. I guess the water pipe really, like, upsets the balance. Well, it was sort of perfect, but... I mean, yeah, I could move the water pipe, but... We got... This one comes in on the side, might as well have this one come in on the side as well. And then... we could have this go right there. And come on. Why won't you? Huh. Normally he stretches across, but I guess not that time. Okay, so the same sort of deal over here. We're going to have a tank. First of all, let's get rid of you. Right? Yeah. Right there. So a tank. Right there. The pulley tube. And we'll deal with these later. This is going to be blue. Okay. And then we are going to have combiners. Lots and lots of combiners. So mega fuel is the combining. We've already got water. Water connected, yes. So water is good. Okay, now over here we have a nice long stretch. That's good. And we're going to start pulling ethanol here in a second. As far as gold goes, probably going to have to do the wiggle around. I love it when that happens right there. Like, really? It's going to be right in line. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Bingo. What? You can't... What? There we go. It's a very wiggly way of getting in here, but we made it in. Pulley tube. No, pushy tube. I want a pushy tube this time. Okay. So that's coming in. We got a lot of wiggles, and then it comes in here to empty out. One thing we could do is likely add a door right here. And just go right out like that with the... We could actually make this a round and around kind of thing. I don't think I've done that yet. So let's do that. Let's see if we get some good production benefits out of just having it go round and around. Instead of having it go back and forth, you know? Now... Ideally, we would elevate this. But I don't know if we can elevate it in time. So if we go elevation, right there, and then a double. Yeah, see, we can't elevate it in time to get over that. But we could definitely elevate it over here. So let's slide underneath this, then elevate it, and then link it up. And then go down. Okay. Let's see. I want line you up to the minimum amount, and then join you up like that. All right, so there is a full circuit going around for that one. I don't think we can do that. This line here is way too long for something like those shenanigans. So let's get a door right here. Go out here and I don't know. Do we want to elevate this going out just for funsies? I mean, yeah, we could stretch that back. Oh, yeah, that would be a long run. Okay, so with that done, we can start getting some carts going. All of the carts. All right, and then let's get over here. All of the carts. So this should kickstart all, all of the production is kickstarted on here. Okay, now, if we're gonna go over here, we're gonna start combining some stuff. So, combiner, let's get a nice setup here. We want one here. Now the output for all of these, oh, if I can remember the design. I think I need, do I need these? It looks like I do. Okay. So we have blue and orange. Now green, this is where the output's gonna go. We have orange and we have blue. Okay. Now I want another one of these here. And then let's see how I saw a screenshot of somebody's design and it looked really good. Green, orange, blue. This is like much tighter of a build though. As the next one of these has to be here. And then here. What is that, about 4 away? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. I can even put some over here. Here and here. Let's do green first. Because this is going to get loud, so just warning you. Do we want to put that more over here? All right, now we need these to go away. We are going to bring it in over here. Pushy tube. Okay. Now, I need probably another level. So we can get around. Oh, I wish you could go over the top. That would be nice. Wouldn't that be nice? Go right over the top. Okay, and then we're going to come right in here. I actually want to destroy that so we can better lay this out. So this is going to be a drop, followed by another drop, followed by a line here. All right, so we need to actually load in the crates of these goods. So let's see if we can't get a here, here, here. Okay, and then each one of these, remember we need crates. Let's first tube, 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 tube. Crating machine. Like so. So yeah, all of these are going to be feeding. So like this one over here, we can actually feed a single rocket with all of these. Remember, these need to be like close together. So let's offset this a little bit. Like one right here. Oh yeah, we're gonna need to be closer than that. Okay, let's think about this here. Remember, each one of these can only support 30 crates. That's how the game tracks all of the things. Is the crate makers actually control where its crates are. So we need I would like, if possible, to come in there like that. If possible. Like that. Okay, so remember we need a loading station. Okay? So, we want a loading station right here. Now these must be built inside. Oh. Well, that kind of upsets me a little bit. So we're gonna have to... I could have sworn we had like crate makers. The unload stations we can make work. So load station. If we do that, loadings, unload station. No, I don't like this at all. So we're gonna scratch all of this, and that, and that, and all of this. And we're gonna rethink this. Because I'm feeling the pressure of time, and that's when I usually make weird decisions. So we're gonna cut the episode here and come back to tackle this officially and neatly. All right, well, that's going to do it for this episode, and I thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.